Hey, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Another quick tip, another cheap modification you can do on your truck. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your rear license plate lamp from this to that. As you can see, that's a much cleaner look compared to the left side. Looks a little orange, looks a little yellow, like old school. All right, so yep, this is what we're going to be going over today. All right, so what I'm using for these actual bulbs, I actually picked this up. I'll put the link in the description below, but a very reasonable price. I think it was like 8 to 10 bucks, but it comes with 10 premium LED light, no UV or IR radiation that they wanted you to know. But it's a 10 pack, canvas error free, super white LED bulb. It comes with 10. You're not just buying one or two, because if one goes out, you have 8 extra. Got this from Amazon. As you can see, there's 10. I obviously already swapped one out. It's already looking pretty good. Actually, let me show you what the owner's manual says and where else these bulbs could actually be used for. All right, so actually looking on page 198 of our owner's manual, it goes through all the interior bulbs, say if you need to swap one out, what model, which bulb number you need to replace that. So interior bulbs, exterior bulbs. So it says cab roof marker lamps, 194 NA. I'm not sure if the NA will make a difference. Maybe you'll be able to swap them out with those. But there's 3 that I can see right now that you'll be able to swap these new bulbs into. So one is the rear lamp bar ID marker lamp. That one uses 194. The next one, side marker lamps. This is if you have dual rear wheels. And then the one we're actually doing on the truck right now is the rear license plate lamp. Using 194. So you couldn't go wrong. I figured I'll try it out. I got tired of like that burnt yellow, burnt orange bulb, so figured I'll experiment and try some of these Yorkin LED bulbs. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to get under there and actually swap them out. It's very simple. All right, so here we go. That side is already obviously done. Let me go ahead and show you how we can get down under here and swap this one out. I have my trusty light right there. We're just gonna go in under, and as you can see, this is why I brought my light. There's the bulb right there, right above my finger. So let me find a spot to hang this light. All right, as you can see, turn this actually clockwise. Nope, I lied. Go ahead and do this counterclockwise and pop it right out. And this is the bulb right here. So I'm actually going to use a paper towel to pull this out. I'm actually going to turn off the lights first and then pull it out and then show you the difference between the two bulbs. Here is the basic 194 coming out of the truck. Here is the aftermarket one. I'll try and get as close as I can, but really, yes, there's a big difference. Obviously, there's an LED bulb up on the top, LED bulb off to the side, and I believe there's another one on this side after you roll it around. So just a basic LED bulb with really three platforms, and connector looks pretty good. Everything looks in good shape. So yeah, just a quick overview difference of the two bulbs. All right, so I went ahead and threw it in the connector. I turned on the lights to make sure it actually works. All 3 of them are working, as you can see. And I'm essentially just going to throw it back in. Voila. As you can see, much brighter white, much brighter white. They look very good. They look a whole lot better than the previous yellowish lights. May have to do something with these in here, maybe the tail light bulbs, or maybe just new tail lights. Also, as a side note, you can actually see them a little brighter on the rear, or actually on your Uconnect screen. I'm sure it's a whole lot better on the 8.4 screen, but as you can see, there's the bulb peeking out right there. So obviously they're a little brighter than the old ones, which will probably help you back up a little better in the nighttime. So it's a very simple process. Many of y'all probably have already done this. Y'all who have not, if you're encouraged to do it now, I would say give it a try. I bought the box with 10. If one goes out, I have 8 others to choose from, and so you can't go wrong with the $8 or $10 price that these LED bulbs actually have to offer. So I'm interested to see how long they will last. Obviously they're LEDs. I think they burn a little more efficiently, and so looking forward to see how long they actually last and whatnot. Like I said, I have 8 other spares, so if they do go out anytime soon, I have plenty others just to throw in and replace it with. Let me know what y'all think. Just another quick upgrade, another quick modification for your Ram 2500, or even if it's a 1500 or 3500. Similar process, similar bumper rear lights. All right, so until next time, ciao.
Perfect.